Okay, everybody, we're going to start a quick video for Excel Project 1B. First thing I need you to do is get to your Canvas and log into your computer class. Something I want you to see we do have due this week. Make sure you click right here, Technology in the Pandemic, and then you will just make a class discussion. Very, very easy. Just read what your classmates have written and put your opinion on what do you think about technology and this pandemic have been going. So make sure you do that, please. Okay, we're going to go down. And we need to do this Plyo Products Excel. We're going to open up this file. Okay, right here. We're going to download the materials. We know that we need to download all the files. Now we know here it opens in this smaller tab, this compressed file down here. We need to zip it open. So let's, when it's ready, click that open. It's opening. Okay, now here's everything that we need. What I want to start with, this is what it's going to end up looking like, I'm supposing. Oh, these are the instructions actually. So this is the instructions. Here's a picture of what it should look like when we're done. So it's going to look like this. Profit Marietta. It's going to have some lines. It's going to be green. It's going to have a total value for all the products. That's what we are making today. Let's begin by double clicking, getting this Excel open. Thank you. And let's begin. So first thing we need to do is we need to get ourselves into A1. That's right where we are. And we're going to type our first set of words. It's called Profit Marietta. P-R-O-F-I-T, fit, Marietta, M. A-R-I-E-T-T-A. Okay. And we press enter. Now notice that dropped us right down to box A2 by hitting enter. Now we're going to type in cell A2, Plyometric Products Inventory. Let's try and spell that. P-L-Y-O-M-E-T-R-I-C, parametric, space, products, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, space, inventory, I-N-V-E-N-T-O-R-Y, Plyometric Products Inventory. That's correct. Press enter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this file tab, which we already are on file. And we are going to left click, we're going to do a save as because we don't want to lose our work already. So we're going to go file, save as. Now where would I like to put this? My computer knows I like to save on my desktop. But just in case your computer doesn't know that, let's find browse. And let's make sure we're putting it on the desktop because that's the easiest place for me to keep things that I'm working on. So we're going to save that on the desktop. Make sure desktop is highlighted where you want to save that. And then we'll have your name and your Excel 1B. Let's save that so it's always there. Perfect. You know where it is because you minimize, minimize. Minimize. Ha! There it is, right here. So we know we can always find it. Let's bring that back open. Okay, now it remembered we were on tab A3. That's great. For tab A3, we need to push the tab because we want it to be on B3. So push the button that says tab and it will move it to B3. You could always just put your cursor on there too. So now in box B3 we need to type the word quantity. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-I, quantity. And we're going to press that tab key again, it will move. Now we're on cell C3. Is that where we are? C3, yep, and there it is right there, C3. We're going to type in the words average cost. A-V-E-R-A-G-E, average, space, cost. C-O-S-T, average cost. And we're going to press the tab key again. That will move us to the next box. Now we are in D3. In D3, we are going to type the words retail price. R-E-T-A-I-L, retail, space, price. P-R-I-C-E, retail price. And we will hit tab button. Okay, now it wants us to go back and click cell C3 for some reason. Let's go get C3 where there's average cost. It wants us to click that cell. And then it wants us to look at the formula bar right here, so it really says average cost. But here, down here, it's kind of cut off. Not a big deal. The formula bar tells us what the whole cell says. This is just where it's cut off. Okay, so now let's go to cell E3, right here, E3, or you can jump here, or just click. E3. We need to type the words total retail value. Total, T-O-T-A-L, space. Retail, R-E-T-A-I-L, retail. Space again, and it is value. V-A-L-U-E, total retail value. Press tab. Now for cell F3, we need to type these words. Percent of total retail value. Percent, P-R-E-C-E-N-T. Percent of, O-F, of. Percent of total, T-O-T-A-L. Next word is retail, R-E-T-A-I-L. And last one, value, V-A-L-U-E. Value. And press enter. Okay. Next thing I'd like us to do is now we're going to go to, it wants us to go to cell A4 right there. I'm just going to jump like this, A4. And it wants us to put in a spelling error that we can correct later. So it wants us to spell power hurdle, but with no E in power. So we're going to spell it P-O-W-R, misspelled power. And then hurdle, H-U-R-D-L-E. And then we press enter. Notice now we're moving down the list. We can add the next part on the list. Okay, for 5A we need speed hurdle. S-P-E-E-D space, right, hurdle, H-U-R-D-L-E, speed hurdle. Enter. Next is called stackable steps. Stackable, S-T-A-C-K-A-B-L-E, stackable. Steps, S-T-E-P-S, stackable steps. Next we have pro, jump, rope, P-R-O, space, jump, J-U-M-P, space, rope, R-O-P-E. Uh-oh, I see I made a mistake. I did not press enter over here, so I want to place my cursor after stackable steps and push enter. And I see my pro jump rope, so I'm going to go back to stackable steps. I want to get rid of, I'm going to go back to A because I messed up. Delete that. And finish my stackable steps. Stackable steps, S-T-E-P-S, and then enter. Okay, I'm back on track. 7 is called Pro Jump Rope. P-R-O space jump. J-U-M-P space rope. R-O-P-E. Pro Jump Rope. Enter. Next, called the Plyometric Box Set. P-L-Y-O-M-E-T-R-I-C. Parametric. Now notice it wanted to start with the autocorrect, but I don't want that. I want it to say plyometric box set, so I will keep with B-O-X, box. Now set, S-E-T. Enter. I also need to add plyometric mat, P-L-Y-O-M-E-T-R-I-C, plyometric space mat, M-A-T. Enter. And last thing I'd like us to do is this word's total retail value for all products. Total, T-O-T-A-L, total. Now we need retail, R-E-T-A-I-L, retail. Now we need value, V-L-U-V-A-L-U-E, value, space. For all products, F-O-R, for, A-L-L, all products. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S. Total for our projects. And enter. Let's try enter. Now what it wants us to do is right here it wants us to make a little bit of room. So between A and B we need to make this little cross to make this a little wider. Okay, now right now I'm at 71 pixels. I'm at 88. I need to be all the way to 215 pixels. That's a lot. 115, 174, 216, 215. Uh-oh, let's see how am I doing. Oops. Width is 214, 216. Right there, 215. 215 pixels. I'm going to save this because I don't want anything to mess up on this. Save you. And let's stop for there. Good work.